jar, which I use all the time. I do not go to any early years yoga class without my glitter jar. I use it all the time. It's such a good way for the children to stay focused and engaged. So by this point, we've already come into a regulated state, so they're ready to learn to focus and connect. So we pass the glitter jar around the room. They shake it as we inhale, and we watch the glitter settle as we exhale. For this glitter jar, it takes around 7 seconds for the glitter to settle. So that's a really nice long exhale for the children. I always use arm movements with this age group because, again, it helps them to stay regulated. A lot of children need movement with the breath, and also it helps guide the pace of the breath. If they can see that I'm reaching my arms out slowly on the inhale, that is indicating we're doing a long inhale. I move my arms down slowly on the exhale, which again is indicating and guiding them to do a long exhale. So we have a simple exhale through the mouth, which again, helpful for regulation, for releasing any tension or anxiety or frustration that they might be experiencing, even if they don't know it. And then we use the glitter jar for a visual focus. It's very engaging. Of course, they are waiting their turn to get to shake the glitter jar. And then I am using the arm movements for the children that really need the movement, which is pretty much all of them at this age. And it helps guide the pace of the breath. Now, I use this all of the time. I use this breathing technique at the beginning of my class just a couple of days ago, and I can tell you the shift was amazing. The children came in, some were apprehensive, some were very dysregulated, overstimulated, and very excited about being in my wildflower studio. And by the time we'd done 5 breaths with the glitter jar, the class was so quiet. And I hadn't asked them to be quiet, but just naturally, it was quiet, calm, very settled, very focused and relaxed. I could feel it amongst all the children. So the glitter jar does work. If I'm doing it in a big class of 25, then typically I would just shake the glitter jar or maybe choose a couple of children to help me. And we would just do 3 to 5 glitter jar breaths. If I have a group of under 8 children, then they each get a turn to do the glitter jar. Obviously, if we've got 12 or 15 children, they are going to lose interest. So I'm really only doing up to 8 breaths with the glitter jar to keep them focused and engaged.